In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate an image sequence on a material in Cinema 4D. We'll start by creating the material that will hold the animated texture. In the main interface, go to Create, then choose Material, or simply click the Create a New Material icon in the Material Manager. This gives you a blank material that will drive the look of your surface and, in this case, display your image sequence as a moving texture. Next, open the Materials settings by double-clicking it in the Material Manager. In the Color channel, find the Texture field and click it. Navigate to the folder where your image sequence lives and select the very first image in that sequence. You only need to choose the first frame here. Cinema 4D will use that choice as a reference and in a moment link the rest of the frames automatically. A quick tip, keep your sequence in a single folder and make sure the files are consistently named and numbered so detection works smoothly. With that first image loaded, let's tell Cinema 4D it's an animation. In the Attributes Manager for the material, scroll down to the Animation tab. Check the image sequence box to enable sequence playback, then click Calculate so Cinema 4D scans the folder and detects how many frames are available. You should also confirm that the frame rate shown here matches the original frame rate of your image sequence. If the numbers don't match, the animation can appear too fast or too slow relative to your timeline, so aligning them ensures accurate playback. Now it's time to see it in the scene. Drag the material from the Material Manager onto any 3D object, such as a plane. A simple plane is great for testing because it shows the texture clearly, but any surface will work. As soon as the material is applied, the object will display the first frame of your sequence. To preview the animation in the viewport, open the viewport settings, go to the Animation tab, and check Animate Preview. This tells the viewport to update textures on each frame instead of holding a still. Finally, press the play button in the timeline. You should see your image sequence playing across the surface of the object, frame by frame, at the rate you set. If it doesn't animate, double check that you selected the first image of the sequence, enabled image sequence, clicked Calculate, and matched the frame rate. That's all it takes to animate an image sequence on a material in Cinema 4D. Keep your frames organized, confirm the frame rate, and enjoy a smooth, accurate preview right in your scene.